This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 38 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're doing some more detail work on the torso. It's really coming together, that. So lots of stuff going on there. Looking at the fragment, I vaguely remember that from mentioning the films. Vector Prime, some sort of spaceship. It's all right, but I don't know what it's meant to look like. They can take all sorts of liberties with putting robot bits in. So yeah. Sentinel Prime, yeah, heard of him. There we go. Series 7 from the Autobots. Yeah, again, they're not really things. They sort of definitely lost their way, becoming just two-part robot things, and yeah, no, I don't like them. That's not bad. There's a proper truck that becomes a spaceship. Where's the robots? It's not robots. It's robots in disguise. It's not spaceships in disguise. So yes, the torso, we're putting some details on the front, some details on the back. That's an easy snap together, this issue, so won't be very long before that is ready and done. So let's get straight to it. So here we have the parts. Those two will go on in a minute. These are ones we need to build. That just pops in there. There's a little pin, little locating pin that you need to get lined up properly on this. I'm not entirely certain why, because it is round. So it doesn't actually matter which way is up. But obviously you get it located the right way round, and then it will go home. The same with this one. It's got a little pin at the top there. So, yeah, I don't know. But there we go. That's that. That is going onto the torso that we've been continuing to build up with. That just goes onto the front there, covering over a couple of those screw holes. Like that. Nice. And this goes underneath it. It's got to be the torso pretty much finished now, hasn't it? Now we've still got a couple of balls for armour pieces to go onto. There we go. That is that on there. Oh, it's looking good. I'm liking it a lot. This is going over on the back bit again, covering over many of our attachment points and screws and things lined up on there, and then that just goes in like that. Nice. So yes, it's coming together a lot. I like it. Obviously the legs are going to attach onto here, and then there's going to be other armour pieces that are going to fix onto the bits that we've still got loose. But a lot of it is done now. That really is coming together. I like that. I do not like that. I might have to see about getting that back apart and tightening that up. But I shall see. There's obviously something going to attach on the other side of that, so that might well hold it much more secure. I might not worry for now. But that is that. He's coming together. They're getting there, looking good. Hope you're enjoying it as well. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I shall see you for more of this in probably about a month. But there are other part works happening before then. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.